Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of the TP-Link Archer A6V3 and Archer C5400X routers. We'll examine their key specifications across wireless capabilities, security provisions, hardware components, and software features to assist you in making an informed decision. 1. Wireless. The Archer A6 offers Wi-Fi compatibility with AC1200 speeds, providing 867 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, suitable for medium-sized homes. Meanwhile, the Archer C5400X delivers blazing, fast AC5400 speeds, with 2167 Mbps on each of its two 5 GHz bands and 1000 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, making it perfect for larger residences. Both routers feature beamforming technology and multiple antennas to enhance signal strength and coverage. 2. Security. While both routers come equipped with spy firewall, access control, and epionic binding, the Archer C5400 offers advanced security features such as HomeCare antivirus, malicious site checker, and infected device isolation for comprehensive protection against online threats. Additionally, it provides robust parental controls and logging capabilities to monitor network activity effectively. 3. Hardware. The Archer A6 boasts a dual-core QPU, 1 gigabit WAN port, and 4 gigabit LAN ports, whereas the Archer C5400 features a powerful 1.8G 64-bit quad-core CPU offering superior processing performance. It also supports link aggregation with 2 LAN ports for increased network efficiency and faster data transfer speeds. Furthermore, the Archer C5400X includes additional use ports for enhanced connectivity and file sharing. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like IP4 and IP6 and offer closed by device and NAT forwarding for effective network management. However, the Archer C5400 introduces GeForce Now close and close by application for optimized gaming and application performance. Moreover, it provides USB support and cloud service features such as auto firmware upgrade and TP-Link IT for convenient remote management. In conclusion, both the TP-Link Archer A6V3 and Archer C5400X routers offer excellent performance and features for home networking. If you require faster Wi-Fi speeds, extensive security features, and advanced parental controls, the Archer C5400X is the ideal choice. However, if you seek a budget-friendly option with reliable performance, the Archer A6V3 remains a solid contender. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.